Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about Clarisil Pro. We at DAC Reviews channel have prepared a comprehensive review video with everything you need to know before buying Clarisil Pro. I also have some really important alerts, which I'll mention throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing Clarisil Pro. So what is Clarisil Pro and does it really work? The answer is yes. Clarisil Pro works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers have identified a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will bring excellent results. It's a natural Navajo formula that restores hearing without the need for medication, surgery, or exercises. It emphasizes that the formula does not interfere with the user's current diet and is affordable, being 100% natural and inexpensive. It states that it's difficult to maintain large stocks of the product due to the difficulty in obtaining the necessary ingredients, and mentions that those who have tried the product and regained their hearing continue to request more. So yes, you can trust this product. Many people have had great results with Clarisil Pro, including numerous customer testimonials on the official website, and you can achieve results too. However, you need to bear in mind that each body will react uniquely. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Clarisil Pro for 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they'll refund your money. So feel safe to use Clarisil Pro, but make sure you're buying it from the official website to ensure the benefits of the guarantee. Also, for Clarisil Pro to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day, or else you won't see significant results, and you'll actually get a bit frustrated. You may see initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 2 to 3 months of using this product due to its gradual effect. Also important for you to know, Clarisil Pro has no side effects as it's natural. So, I decided to record this video firstly to warn you to be careful with the website you're buying Clarisil Pro from, and also, if you buy the product, to follow the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body reacts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that Clarisil Pro really helps to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Remember that the official website of the product can be found in the description link. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel and leave your like. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.